Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto and tech reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience with the Edge Wallet. Edge Wallet Review, a deep dive into user experience. The Edge Wallet stands out as a non-custodial mobile wallet that prioritizes user privacy and gives you complete control over your digital assets. Designed for those who demand secure and easy access to their cryptocurrency portfolio, Edge ensures you maintain full ownership of your private keys. Unlike cloud-based wallets, Edge embraces decentralization, meaning your funds remain solely under your control. A standout feature is its user-friendly interface. Supporting a broad range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and numerous altcoins, Edge offers versatility for crypto enthusiasts with diverse portfolios. The integrated exchange feature streamlines the process of swapping between supported tokens directly within the app, eliminating the need for centralized exchanges. This is particularly beneficial for active traders or those seeking to bypass fees imposed by third-party platforms. Security is paramount with Edge. Utilizing robust encryption techniques, the wallet safeguards your private keys on your device. Furthermore, biometric authentication options like fingerprint or facial recognition provide an additional layer of security, preventing unauthorized access. The multi-currency support caters to users invested in a variety of assets or those exploring diversification into new tokens. Setting up the Edge wallet is quick and painless, thanks to clear instructions and straightforward recovery options. For more advanced users, features such as multi-signature support and comprehensive backup options are also available. Whether you're just starting your crypto journey or you're a seasoned veteran, the Edge wallet achieves an excellent balance between simplicity and advanced functionality. In summary, the Edge wallet is a compelling choice for anyone looking for a secure, intuitive, and feature-rich mobile wallet. It's a perfect fit for users who value privacy, security, and the convenience of managing multiple cryptocurrencies within a single platform. Providing everything necessary for safe and efficient crypto management, Edge is an ideal solution for both newcomers and experienced users.